Good morning. I am Ajay Ojha, a chemistry teacher from Sacred Heart School. Now we start the chemistry of class 10th. The first chapter of class 10th chemistry is chemical reactions and equations. Now, first of all, we start about the chemical reactions. Now, let us start chemical reactions. Chemical reactions. बच्चों, mind करो about the reactions. What is the chemical reactions? Okay, first of all, think about the digestion of food in our body. What is this? This is a chemical reaction. Rusting of iron. This is a chemical reaction. We inhale oxygen and out carbon dioxide. That is chemical reaction. Okay? So now we start about the chemical reaction. Suppose that you know carbon and oxygen react to form carbon dioxide. Okay, this is another substance, this is another substance, and this is another substance. That means in this process substances combine, react, and to form a new substance. The process in which two or more substances react to form a new another substance is called chemical reaction. Again, listen to me. What is chemical reaction? A process in which two or more new substances react and to form a new substance is called chemical reaction. Now, in a chemical reaction, you are seeing that there are two parts. This is LHS and this is RHS. LHS लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में भी कुछ सब्सटेंस है और राइट हैंड साइड में भी कुछ सब्सटेंस है. ये जो सब्सटेंस है बेटा ये रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं और ये जो सब्सटेंस है ये प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. तो सब्सटेंसेस व्हिच रिएक्ट आर कॉल्ड रिएक्टेंट्स and the substance which is produced, which is formed, is called product. Okay? So, reactants and products. A chemical reaction, a process in which two or more substances combine, react, and to form a new substance of new property. देखो बेटा एक ध्यान देना कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की प्रॉपर्टी न कार्बन की जैसी है न ऑक्सीजन की जैसी है. एक न्यू प्रॉपर्टी का न्यू सब्सटेंस प्रोड्यूस होता है. तो प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड केमिकल रिएक्शन. ओके, इन ए केमिकल रिएक्शन देयर आर टू पार्ट्स, LHS, RHS, left hand side, right hand side. The substances which react, which combine, these are called reactants, and the substance which is produced, which is formed, जो बनता है, जो produce होता है, that is called product. So in this reaction, carbon and oxygen are reactants and carbon dioxide is a product. Okay? Thank you. Now we study about the characteristics of a chemical reaction. What is the characteristics of a chemical reaction? First of all, listen to me. Characteristics of a chemical reaction. Characteristics of chemical reaction. Now we study the characteristics of a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction की characteristics क्या होती है? Okay? Now listen to me. A chemical reaction is characterized by following characters. Following characters: formation of precipitate. Formation of precipitate. Formation of precipitate. First of all, know about the precipitate. What is a precipitate? ऐसा है ना बेटा कि precipitate को जानना है. कोई chemical reactions होते हैं, you know there are several reactions, number of reactions in chemistry. कुछ ऐसे reactions हैं जिसमें आपके solid substance बनते हैं, which is undissolved and which is formed and settled down on the bottom. वो आपके टेस्ट ट्यूब के बॉटम में जाके सेटल हो जाता है, वो सॉलिड होता है, उसका सोल्यूशन नहीं बनता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेसिपिटेट. तो व्हाट इज प्रेसिपिटेट? ड्यूरिंग द केमिकल रिएक्शन a solid which is produced and settled down the bottom, that is called precipitate. Okay? Now we explain about, from the example. Okay? Now listen to me. Suppose that sodium chloride react with silver nitrate. Sodium chloride react with silver nitrate and to form sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate and AgCl, silver chloride. Okay, this is aqueous solution and this is the solid. It's a white precipitate. Insert it is written as PPT, white precipitate. Okay, now listen to me. This is the formation of प्रेसिपिटेट. आप एक टेस्ट ट्यूब लो बेटा, उसमें सोडियम क्लोराइड सोल्यूशन ले लो, उसके बाद एक टेस्ट ट्यूब ले लो, इसमें सिल्वर नाइट्रेट ले लो. अब फिर दोनों को आप मिक्स करो, और दोनों को जब मिक्स करोगे आप, तो दोनों को मिक्स करोगे बेटा, तो आपका ये व्हाइट प्रेसिपिटेट टेस्ट ट्यूब में बनेगा और वो बॉटम में जाकर सेटल हो जाएगा, ये सॉलिड होगा, इसका कलर व्हाइट होगा. So during the chemical reaction, precipitate is formed. Okay? Now second, evolution of gas. Evolution of gas. Second is evolution of gas. मतलब क्या कि कोई रिएक्शन होता है तो गैस भी फॉर्म होती है, गैस बनते हैं. कोई रिएक्शन होता है तो गैस का भी इवोल्यूशन होता है, गैस भी रिलीज होती है, प्रोड्यूस होती है। नाउ लिसन अबाउट द evolution of gas, an example. Evolution of gas, an example. Okay, now when zinc react with HCl, zinc react with HCl, ZnCl2 is formed and hydrogen gas is evolved. So during this reaction gas is evolved. Okay, now next point we study in the next video. Thank you.